on Reliance, because at the opening, like Cher was mentioning, that on a YTD basis, Reliance returns have now turned negative. And Subrata Mukherjee wants to know, will that be good strategy to now book the loss in Reliance Industries and make a shift to Narayan Hyderale? He wants a long-term suggestion on this one. He didn't share the buy price of Reliance Industries, but what's your take?
Well, if it's a temporary shift, then it's a different kind of a strategy altogether, because Reliance on the short-term charts is showing definite amount of weakness. The stock has broken below the adjusted price of 1300 today, so which means that there could be a further weakness into the stock price going forward. Narayan Hrudhale, on the other hand, the stock has been a lot more range bound. So we've seen the stock stuck into a 50-70 point range, 1200, 1220 as a support, and then 1270 approximately as a resistance for the stock, which means that there could be a degree of outperformance which could be there. But as a strategy overall, from long-term basis, I would not suggest that, because I think whenever Reliance makes a comeback, I think the comeback would be very strong and ferocious into the stock price. So I think buy on dips could be a better strategy for Reliance Industries if you're a long-term investor. Depends on your time horizon.
That's the advice coming in on Reliance Industries, to not make a shift if you are a long-term investor. But Garang, what are your views on the same, given the fact that for today there's been a sharp sell-off, and on a YTD basis the returns are now turned negative, and that's the first time that we are seeing after 2016. What's your view on Reliance Industries? Will that be a good strategy to like move out of this one and make a shift to any other stock? Maybe Narayan Hyderale is what Subrata Mukherjee is looking at. What's your view on the same?
I think this is going to be difficult, Shrishti, because we do have coverage on Reliance Industries as well as Narayan Hrudhale. So keeping with Reliance Industries, well, we remain positive on the stock. The announcements made in the AGM gone by have been very, very strong. The stock has very recently got adjusted to the bonus announcement that the company made. Business is diversified for Reliance Industries, whether it is the traditional historical family business or whether it is businesses which have evolved to contribute more on the balance sheet, likes of Geo, likes of retail, likes of digital, likes of oil to chemicals, to the extent of green hydrogen that the Honorable Chairman has spoken about. So the outlook looks quite strong. The problem here is, Shrishti, that the recent selling that we saw from the FIs for the entire month of October and probably even today and the days to come, their investments is largely into large cap names. And when they come on the sell side and sell the way they have sold, not only will your Sensex and Nifty come down, but the large cap stocks will also have that kind of reaction, because they have their investment over there and they have to lighten up. So notwithstanding the immediate short to medium term, if you're asking me for long term, then I would say stay invested. 1520 could be the targets. And if the earnings deliver, here again, the targets would get revised. So I remain positive on Reliance Industries, but since the question is on Narayan Hrudhale, prudent to give a disclosure that we have a buy call over there as well.
All right, so that's both of the.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.